guys, it's Kristin. So in today's video, I'm just gonna show you a few kitchen hacks that really help me with my time being more efficient and make things just go a lot easier. So let's jump right into the video. This first one is fairly common. You probably have already seen it, but cookie dough, ice cream scoop. We eat cookies quite often, so I usually use this ice cream scoop. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a little bit. I actually don't even fill it that much. So I just pretty much scoop those on there and then I'll move them around after. The only tip I do wanna say though is that I usually flatten these out a little bit, like push them down like that. So there we go, they're done. Took like maybe 2 minutes. The best part for me though is I don't get it on my hands. It's just really fast, scoop them, put them on, and you're good to go. All right, this next one is to extend how long your drink will stay hot in your stainless steel mug. So the first thing is you're gonna run really hot water. You can also run your kettle if you want, but anyways, just get some hot water. Then what you're gonna do is fill your coffee mug all the way to the top with the really, really hot water. Now I'm gonna let it sit in here for about 1 to 2 minutes. So then you can go ahead and dump the water out and fill it up with your coffee, tea, whatever it is. And now what you've done is you've heated up the metal ahead of time, so when you pour your drink in, it's gonna keep it hotter longer. Versus if you pull it right out of the cupboard, it might be kind of cold, the metal, especially if it's winter time, and this will start cooling your drink down faster. Now, quick note, because someone did mention this in one of my other videos, they were saying that I was wasting water by doing this. So what I usually do is I actually take the water and I put it in our Brita filter. So I'm not wasting the water, it is going somewhere. This next one is for plastic or rubber spatulas. If you're like us, we put everything in the dishwasher even if we're not supposed to. So as you can see, this one is getting really dry. It's turning white, it's kind of gross. So I have a fix for this. It's not a permanent fix, but it does help. So you're gonna take a paper towel, I kind of just folded it into a bunch of squares here, and then a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna put just a little on here, like that. So you only need about, let me show you, about that much. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna rub this right on there. And you can see it kind of like, it's almost like giving it lotion. Like if you have dry skin and you put lotion on. This is pretty much doing the same thing. So I just rub this in. I do leave it on fairly thick so you can kind of see it's very shiny. And I leave it in our drawer because the longer this sits on like that, the better it like absorbs into it. Now, like I said, it's not gonna last forever, but I'll show you one that I did do about 2 weeks ago. So this one looked just like this other one. It has gone through the dishwasher again, but you can see it did last for a while. Like there's just a tiny bit showing here. It's not as much, so I'll probably do that one too, but it does last for a bit. So it just makes it a little more visually appealing, especially if you have guests over. It's not so gross and ugly, so that's a quick fix. This last one is a quick tip on if you want to get some sort of drink that's like in a box like this into your fridge fast without having to do them one at a time. So what you're gonna do is put the open end inside the fridge, then you're gonna open this side, and then you're gonna hold the box and push the cans in. You kind of pull the box while pushing the cans like that. There you go. All right, so those were my few kind of kitchen / life hacks. Let me know which one you guys like the best. Also share if you have any that would be really cool to know. But if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a video. And I'll talk to you later.